Hi, I'm Sirong Ren. I will introduce my results and recommendations. First, here are my recommendations for investments allocation. For equity, I will allocate 55.48% and 24.52% to real estate and the remaining 20% to market neutral. And these are allocations in dollars. And my next 5-year forecast for portfolio return and the Sharpe ratio will be 5.355% and 0.3979 for the Sharpe ratio. This is my volatility forecast. It will be 26.06% using Gauge model to calculate. If the volatility changes from 13%, which Martin assumed to my forecast value, the allocation of equities and real estate will change into 58.12% and 21.88%, and the allocation of market neutral will stay 20%. And here's our allocation changes in dollars. I recommend the manager 379 turn basically from the Sharpe ratio, and I choose top 3 Sharpe ratio managers and this manager 3, which has better annual returns in 2.5 years, so I recommend him too. And for macOS portfolio optimization and manager recommendation, I calculate Sharpe ratio and use Solver to maximum its value. And for time series analysis, I calculate the conditional and unconditional variance and use Solver to get the optimum parameter weights. Since my calculation involves the variance, and so a tiny data handling difference will change my result. For example, weather including partial year will change a lot in my Sharpe ratio, and this will change my recommendation. Also, in time series analysis, it affects a lot when using conditional variance or unconditional variance. I use the conditional variance for my second year, which is 1929, and the following years I use the unconditional variance. These are the sources I use to figure out this problem. And that's all. Thank you.